Hello, and welcome to another mindful moment with Yoga for Classrooms. Today, we're doing a mindful moment called Metamorphosis, and this comes from our Yoga for Classrooms activity card deck. It's also included in our mini Yoga for Classrooms activity cards. And this is one of my favorite mindful moments, especially in the spring, because as you can see from the image, it goes along with all of the plants that we see blooming and new plants we see coming alive. And it just is a great one to integrate this time of the year. You also might notice that this one's similar to another activity we've done before, the tree posture. So we'll talk about that as we go. But this one combines a lot of really neat elements together as we do one of our loosen up activities. And again, this is called metamorphosis. So go ahead and join me. For this activity, you can start by crouching into a really small ball, and you can do that in your chair like I'm doing, or you may do so all the way on the ground. But what you want to do is you want to crouch down either next to your desk or in your chair with your fingertips touching the floor. Close your eyes if that's comfortable for you and begin to slowly deepen your breath, noticing your breath going in and out. Now imagine you're a tiny little acorn tucked safe and snug down into the earth where it's warm and cozy. If you're very still, you might feel some rain fall on your back. Or maybe you hear the pitter patter of rain somewhere across the meadow. As you are sitting there tucked safe and snug down into the earth, see just how still you can stay. Because in order for the acorn to grow, it must first be patient. Now, slowly, you see the sun is coming out, and you feel like you're ready to begin to emerge. So, slowly, slowly grow up and out of your seed form as slowly as possible. Your roots might be moving down into the earth. If you can, keep your eyes closed to practice your balance. Challenge yourself to see how slowly you can go as you sit up taller and taller, coming out of your acorn. Now you might put one shoot up, slowly beginning to come to your standing, maybe reaching an arm in the air. Good. Slowly bring another arm up, another one of your shoots reaches out. You might even have leaves growing out of your acorn. Good. Now, if it's comfortable, you can come to full tree pose by taking one of your legs and placing your foot on your ankle, feeling that strength. Feeling the strength that goes all the way from your roots, all the way up the tips of your fingers to all the leaves. Testing your balance, testing your strength. If you put one of your feet up, go ahead and bring it back to the earth. Good. Take one more deep breath here. Good. Then come back to your seat, noticing what it felt like to go from a teeny tiny acorn all the way up to a strong oak tree, just like we watch in our front yards and out at recess as little bitty seeds sprout into something truly magnificent. In the same way, you too are sprouting into something magnificent. If you'd like, you can do that whole activity again, starting from the acorn and as slowly as possible, coming into that strong tree where your branches grow tall. Very good. Thank you for joining me for today's mindful moment, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye bye.